Hello students, today we will study word problem based on articles and costs. So I'll take the first problem here. The cost of 4 pens and 4 pencil boxes is rupees 100. 3 times the cost of pen is rupees 15 more than the cost of a pencil box. Find the cost of a pen and a pencil box. So whenever we get a word problem, just go for the last line. See what is asked. Here you are asked to find the cost of a pen and a pencil box. So we will start with that. Solution: let the cost of a pen be rupees X. And then second thing is pencil box. So let and the cost of a pencil box be rupees Y. So now we got cost of pen and the pencil. Now it is given cost of 4 pens. So now cost of one pen is equal to X. Therefore cost of 4 pens will be 4 times X, 4X. So which is equal to 4X. Okay. So now what is given? Condition 1. In condition 1 it is given that the cost of 4 pens, so cost of 1 pen is X, therefore cost of 4 pens is 4X. So 4X plus 4 pencil boxes. So cost of 1 pencil box is Y, therefore cost of 4 pencil boxes will be rupees 4Y plus 4Y is equal to 100. I am writing this as equation 1. We can still simplify it. We can make out this is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4, this is also divisible by 4. So if I divide it by 4, 4 cancel with 4. Here this 4 cancel with 4 and this 4 1s are 25, 4 is 100. So this gives us X plus Y is equal to 25. This I will write it equation 1. Then go for condition 2. Condition 2. What is condition 2 given? 3 times the cost of pen. So 3 times cost of pen is 15 more than cost of pencil box. This is more. So if I want to make it equal, minus 15 is equal to cost of pencil box. So pen, 3 times pen is equal to minus 15. Or we can write in other way as, now so I'll write it again, 3 times the cost of pen. So 3 times cost of pen is X. So 3 times X is more. So to make it less, minus 15 is equal to cost of pencil box. Cost of pencil box is Y. Okay. We can write in a standard form as, we can take this side Y and take the 15 to other side, so it becomes equation 2. But instead of that, if you want to solve it by substitution method, then we can keep it as it is. So here we got Y, value of Y is equal to 3x minus 15. So I am writing as it is as number 2. And I am substituting number 2 in number 1. So I got equation 1, equation 2. Substitute Y is equal to 3x minus 15 in 1. If you want, you can write it in standard form and solve in elimination method, but this becomes more easy, so I am solving it like this. So X, so what I am getting is, here X plus Y, Y is 3x minus 15, 3x minus 15 is equal to 25. Therefore X plus 3x is 4x, 4x equal to 25. This minus 15, when it goes to other side, it becomes plus 15. So 4x is equal to 40 and therefore X equal to 40. This is 4 multiplied by X. It goes down here in the denominator as a division. 4 1s are 4 10s are, and therefore value of X equal to 10. Now substitute value of X equal to 10 in either 1 or 2. So I'll substitute in 1. Substitute X is equal to 10 in 1. What will get? 10 plus Y equal to 25. Therefore Y equal to 25. This plus 10 goes to other side as minus 10 and therefore y equal to 25 minus 10 is 15. And therefore we got x is equal to 10, y equal to 15. What is the meaning of pen? X means the cost of a pen. We are asked to find the cost of a pen. Therefore answer, cost of a pen is equal to rupees 10. We have to write the unit here. It is the unit given on rupees, so we are writing unit as rupees. And the cost of pencil box, and then cost of a pencil box, cost of a pencil box, pencil box is equal to rupees 50. We'll take it. Now 4 pens will be 40 plus 4 pencil boxes 60 equal to 100. So it satisfies condition 1. Go for condition 2. The cost of pen, 3 times the cost of pen. 3 times cost of pen will be 30. Is 15 more than the cost of pencil? Minus 15 is equal to cost of pencil box is 15. So it satisfies second equation. And so our answer is correct. X equal to pen, cost of pen is 10 and cost of pencil box is rupees 15. We'll study one more problem. Here the problem is the number of students of a class are made to stand in a row. If 3 students are extra in a row, there will be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there will be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So now here we have given number of rows and we have to find out number of students in the class. So we'll start with the solution. Solution, let the number of rows be x, and there are some students in each row, so we'll take and the number of students in each row be y. Now if suppose there are 5 rows and each row suppose there are 4 students, then what is the total number of strength? It will be 5 into 4 is 20. If suppose there are 6 rows and there are 3 students in each row, then your total strength will be 6 3s are 18. So here number of rows are x and number of students in each row are y. Therefore total number of students will be total number of students in the class is equal to 5 into 4 or 6 into 3. So here it is x into y. So x into y. So total number of strength is xy. Now we'll go for condition 1. What is condition 1? Condition 1 states that if 3 students are extra in each row. Now how many students are in each row? Y. So y plus 3. Number of students are increased. If 3 students are extra in a row, there will be 1 row less. So how many rows are there? The number of rows are x. So x minus 1. New number of rows will be x minus 1. So now x minus 1 are number of rows and y plus 3 is the number of students in each row. But total number of students remains same. So total number of students is xy. So we'll simplify this. We know how to simplify binomial into binomial. So x into y, x into 3, 1 into y and 1 into 3. So x into y will give us x into y is xy. Then x into 3 will give us 3x. Minus 1 plus y will be minus y. Minus 1 plus 3 will be minus 3, which is equal to xy. So this xy cancel with this xy. So our equation 1 is 3x minus y is equal to 3. This is our equation 1. So then we'll go for condition 2. Condition 2. What does condition 2 states? If 3 students are less in each row. So in each row there are y students. So y students and minus 3. If 3 students are less, so y minus 3. And what about number of rows then? If 3 students are less in each row, there will be 2 rows more. So number of rows x plus 2. Same way, binomial into binomial, this multiply by this, and then this multiply by this bracket. So x into y will give us xy, x into minus 3 will give us minus 3x, 2 into y will give us plus 2y, plus 2 into minus 3 will give us minus 6 is equal to, number of students remains same, xy. So this xy cancel with this xy. So equation 2 is minus 3x plus 2y. This plus 6 I am taking, minus 6 I am taking to the other side, it becomes plus 6. This is equation number 2. So now I will solve these two equations by any of the method, elimination, substitution or cross multiplication. So I will go for elimination method. So equation 1 is 3x minus y. 3x minus y equal to 3. This is equation 1. And second equation is minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Already here there are 3x and 3x plus 3x minus 3x. So directly we can do elimination method. We can cancel this plus 3x minus 3x as it is adding. So minus y plus 2y will give us y is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9. So y equal to 9. So substitute y equal to 9 in either 1 or 2. I will substitute in 1. In 1. Substitute y equal to 9 in 1. So what I will get? 3x minus 9 is equal to 3. And therefore 3x is equal to 3. This minus 9 goes to other side as plus 9. And therefore 3x is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. And therefore x equal to 12 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. Therefore x equal to 4. So what is the x? Number of rows. Therefore answer number of rows. I think we have to write just answer number of students. So I'll just write here number of rows. That is not our answer, but I am writing number of rows is equal to number of rows equal to 4 and number of students in each row. Number of students in each row is y. So number of students in each row is equal to 9. And therefore what is total number? Therefore that is our answer. Answer total number of students. Total number of students in the class is equal to 36. We'll check it. If 3 students are extra in each row, so in each row we have 9. If it becomes 13 and one row is, so 9 plus 3 is 12 and one row is less, so 3, 12, 3 are 36, is correct? Second, if 3 students are less, 6 and plus 2, 6 are 36, yeah. So answer is correct, total number of students are 36.